Oh my God. 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 Oh my God, there's just an earthquake. There's just an earthquake. Holy shit, there was an earthquake. That temple crumbled. Oh my God, I was just standing there. It just crumbled. Oh my God, look at that. Remember, there used to be a top. There used to be a top on top of that temple there. There was a top on top of the temple. It all fell forward right where I was standing, right there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Even that one too. That one there, that crumbled also. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh my God. There's people screaming. I can hear people screaming. I can hear people screaming. Oh my God. The whole temple. Look at that. Look at that one. Remember, look back on the replay, guys. That had the top to it. That had a top to it. Now it doesn't anymore. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hear people screaming. Okay, my bike. I dropped my bike. I just threw it down. I'm going to leave my bike there. Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to see what happened. Oh my God. Holy shit. All right. That whole temple just crumbled. The top of that temple. There used to be a top to it. It just fell down. I was on the bike. Keizo, I was right there. Look, I left my bike right there. I just threw it on the ground. I just threw my bike on the ground. Oh my God, I'm shaking. I'm shaking, Jesus. There was just an earthquake. Just had an earthquake. Okay, I gotta go see those kids if they're okay. Those kids are over there. Is it okay? They're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah? He's okay. Yeah, I'm okay. My God. My God, I was on that temple. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at it, it's gone. The top is gone. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hear people screaming over there. I hear people screaming. That's gone. If you look at my replay, that used to have a top to it. There's no more top to that temple. The whole thing fell forward. If this was at sunset, that would have killed like 30 people right there probably. My God. My God. And I bet you, if you look on the horizon, there's more of them crumble. Wow. My God. It's okay. The boy's crying. Are they okay?
I'm okay.
Anybody inside? No?
No, they don't go. Everybody don't have inside.
My God.
Would you go now?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. Don't worry. Yeah. No temples. I'm not going inside anywhere. My God. My God. My God. Look at that. Look at that. That used to have a top to it, and it fell forward. It fell forward. That used to have a top, and it just fell forward. My God. I felt the ground shaking underneath me. And then I heard the temple crumble. My God. I'm in Burma. In Myanmar. Can't believe that. My God, that was like a movie, man. If Like, I missed that by 10 minutes. I missed that by like 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm alright. I missed that by like 10 minutes. Jeez. Hold on, I gotta get my bike. Hold on. Guys, did you see that? Whoever was watching before, we were standing up there looking at that, and the whole thing just crumbled. My God. That one there even. I was driving towards there, and all looked like the front side right there just slid off. Oh my God. Thank God I wasn't there. All right. No, I went off. I shut down. Thank God I shut down. Thank God I got off there. My God. My bike's over there. I just threw it down. There was an earthquake. We just had an earthquake. If everybody's just watching. There was just an earthquake. I'm in Myanmar right now, in Burma. And these temples right here, all of a sudden I heard this one. This one right here, they used to have a top to it. There used to be a top to this temple right there. It fell down. And then that side crumbled. And then this temple too, I was driving towards it, and that side there just kind of slid down. My God. That was crazy. Look at the replay and you'll see what that temple looked like before. I don't think it was, I don't know how strong it was. These buildings are not too sturdy. Okay, maybe I'm gonna leave my bike here. I got my key, so I don't know. You tell me, guys. I have no clue. I'm not looking up how strong it was. You can. There was nobody in there. I asked the kids there if there was anybody in there. They said no. If this would have been maybe 2 hours later, that would have been full of tourists right there, and people would have probably, there people be injured, maybe died, for sure. Wow. Where was the center? Where was the epicenter? Yeah, all right. Yeah, all right. I hear people over there. They're kind of screaming over there. There's people screaming. I'm not going to go inside. No way. And then over there, there's everybody's okay over there. There's nobody over there. These are really small ones, so there's not many people there. Well, they may be sturdy, but I just saw that front side there, just a bunch of it just slid right off. And then that one right there, okay, I'll describe it again. There's a huge kind of, if you look at the replay, there's a big like pointy thing sticking out of there. That just fell forward and took everything with it that was in front of it. That was crazy. And I just finished scoping. My God, that's crazy. Even the dog. There was a dog standing in front of me, and all of a sudden he was looking like really strange, and then he looked over at the temple and it crumbled. Malek, where's that? Where's the center? I'm okay. I'm right in the middle of a field. There's thunder going to. I'm right in the middle of a field, so. Malek, where is that? Where's Malek? I don't want to go near it. But that whole thing is gone. I'm going to leave my bike there. I'm okay right here. I'm fine right here. Nothing's going to happen to me. I'm in the middle of a field, nothing around me. So. The bike's okay. Bike's okay. I'm going to leave my bike here. It'll be okay. Okay, I'm going to move my bike. Hold on, guys. All right. Maybe. Okay, you know what? I'm going to close this scope, guys. I'm going to look at the bigger one and I'll come back. Was this 7.0? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go look at the bigger one and then I'm going to come back. Yeah, I'm okay. I just want to see what happened. And I'll come back. Yeah. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.